finessing. Straight up, I can't go one day without finessing. Finessing. I can't help 100 minutes, we straight off finessing. Straight up, finessing. I can't go one day without finessing.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92. Fuck. I'm tired. Nigga, I'm tired. Y'all watched that vlog yesterday. Y'all know I'm tired. I said at the end I'm tired. Nigga, I don't even know why I'm doing this right now because I'm tired. And nigga, I still got the same clothes on sometimes. But we gonna do it because I love y'all and I do this for y'all. And my unboxing days is Monday, so I ain't had no choice. So I don't even remember where this is from. I'm gonna keep it a buck. That shit. It might be GOAT, it might be StockX, nigga. I don't remember. I think it's GOAT though. I think we gotta unbox it for GOAT. It should have popped up like I do the little PNG. But I'm hyped for these, but I can't really be hyped. Yeah, it's from GOAT. So J Diggy is from GOAT. So y'all can see, or y'all can't see, we got my first boost box. Size 12. I hope I can fit these. I own Ultra Boost. Never have. So hopefully I can fit them. I gotta shut up real quick because y'all know how my camera is. But we got. I'm pushing up, nigga. This ain't even. I'm fucking tired. Shit. Shout out SP. We got these. Shit. Y'all see the review, man. Like, I'm hyped. But fuck, I'm tired. I'm tired, boss. Fuck, man. They comfortable looking. Oh, they dead stock too. I ain't wearing nobody use that trainers, nigga. That booty sweat. All that other shit. Yeah, so I ain't fucking. Who the fuck is Continental? I thought this was made by Adidas. Who the fuck is Somebody explain this to a nigga. Why the fuck is it a Continental tag on here and this shoe made by Adidas? Y'all niggas tricky. GOAT ain't shit, it's like no. I know it's on there all the time. I don't know why. I don't even remember how much I paid. I don't think I paid more than retail. I don't fucking know. Hey, y'all hear my voice? That bitch going in and out. I sound like a Kanye 808 track. Like, fuck. But I like these. I wanted some because I never owned any. And first take, these bitches is light as shit. Peel this ugly ass sticker on. What's up with all y'all these fucking detachable ass stickers, nigga? Just don't put them in the shoe, bitch. You know what size I bought, motherfucker? But yeah, I ain't mad. I'm just tired, nigga. That's how I get when I'm tired. I get frustrated quick. Who the fuck is Continental? Ain't that a tire company? I think Continental a tire, cause Continental on the bottom of this, but fuck man, we'll get to the bottom of it. Y'all get it? We'll get to the bottom of it in the official review. They don't even know yet. In the official review, we'll get to all that in the official review. Yeah. Your boy Jake Diggy 92, Chance the Rapper ass boost. I just say that because Brown is like his shit. So I think it's his shit. Man, I don't fucking know. I'm tired. Shit. Asking all the fucking questions I got to him. But yeah. It's your boy Love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Go watch the vlog. Nigga, I'm just playing. I'm not really that upset. I'm just sleepy. But I ain't gonna fake, that shit was fun. End of the day, will I do it again? I'm leaning more towards yes than I am no. Just put it that way. But some things will have to change. Nigga, when I say 6 o'clock, y'all niggas show up at 6. Not 7, not 8. Cause we leaving without you niggas. So no, I'm playing. Shout out, look, for real shit though. Shout out to all y'all that came out to that jump. I know I ain't say it in the vlog, but shout out to all y'all that came out to my paint jump. To all y'all that didn't. Used to it, I guess. But yeah, I love y'all. I love all y'all, whether you watching this or not. So you won't know I said I love you, but I love you. And yeah, man. Ultra Boost and Beige Brown. Yeah. So this is really your boy J Iggity Diggity 92. Another episode of Finesse Kicks. Follow me anything you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. J Diggy 92. If you ain't hear what I said, it's always in writing at the end of the video. Go ahead, like, thumbs up, subscribe and become part of the best squad on fucking YouTube that nobody know about, nigga, God Squad. Cause we y'all know what we gods in this bitch. Konnichiwa, motherfucker. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, get out of these fucking clothes. But shout out to this shirt, this shit is fire. But yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all. Hold up, I gotta do an outro and I can't. I'm glad my hands semi-big. I love y'all and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Oh shit, I forgot. Wait, don't leave, nigga. Art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Copy some dope art, nigga. Yeah, you know, don't click off. It's not over. It's like, nah, it's over now, nigga. Bye. I love you. See y'all. Ric Flair drip go woo on the bitch.